Yes people, we are back with another one. It's been a long time since I've done one of these YouTube videos, but I'm going to try and be more consistent going forward. Today we're in an area called Aston, and if you know England and Birmingham, then this is where Aston Villa, the football club, they reside. So we're working at a property where we're going to be doing some gutter cleaning, and we're also going to be repairing 2 fence posts. It's winter now, so we're going to get jobs like this where it's not like a big, massive job, but it's just something that it's going to tie us over and, you know, get us through until Christmas. I would say when it comes to cleaning your gutters, you should do it at least once a year, because you don't want to cause any damage to your property, because you got to see the gutters as a channel, and water flows through this channel. And if there's something in the channel that's blocking it, the water doesn't have nowhere to go. So it's going to find somewhere to go, which could be overflowing outwards, or it can overflow inwards, and it can damage your property. It can cause things like damping issues, etc. So it's good to clean them, like I said, at least once a year, you know, keep them clean and flowing, and your property will love you. So let me show you what we're going to be doing anyway. And look, if you can see the gutters here, you can see that it's got blockage already, and it's in that corner. So I might have to use the ladders for that one. Yeah, a few gutters there. And when we clean gutters, obviously we use one of these machines here, which is like a vacuum, and we attach our post to it, and then yeah, usually it saves us going on ladders, but obviously for a day like today where you can see the blockage, it might not get it out, so yeah. So clean the front, now I'm just going to clean the back. The back's kind of more straightforward, it's just a one straight pipe. And you can see the detail in these houses, you know, reminds me of, like, I don't know if it's Victorian or Tudor Stuart, one of them times, but it's got a lot of good detail, you know. I like them. So let me show you what's come out the gutters, so you can see this is what blocks your gutters all the time. So it leaves water, dirt, tiles, everything, you know. So get them gutters cleaned. So we're finished now, cleaned the gutters, made them repairs on the fence. So we're on to the next job. This was just a short little video vlog of our day leading up to Christmas. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year if you celebrate it, and if you don't, just enjoy the break and eat loads, drink, be merry, spend a lot of time with your loved ones, and yeah, hope to see everyone on the other side. 2025, let's go.